If you love fashion, creativity, and handmade beauty, then crochet bags are something you definitely need to watch this year. In 2026, crochet bags are not just simple handmade accessories anymore. They have become stylish fashion pieces that combine creativity, elegance, and personality. Designers and handmade artists around the world are bringing crochet bags back into the spotlight, and the results are absolutely stunning. From casual everyday bags to luxurious statement pieces, crochet bags are proving that handmade fashion can be just as trendy and fashionable as designer brands. One of the biggest trends in crochet bags for 2026 is bold textures and patterns. Instead of plain stitches, many designs now include intricate patterns, layered stitches, and unique weaving techniques that make every bag look like a piece of art. These textured designs add depth and personality, making the bag stand out instantly. Another popular trend is color creativity. While neutral colors like beige, cream, and brown remain timeless, many crochet bags in 2026 are experimenting with bright and vibrant colors. Think beautiful combinations like burnt orange and cream, deep green and gold, or pastel shades that give the bags a soft, elegant look. These color combinations make crochet bags perfect for both casual and stylish outfits. Mini crochet bags are also becoming incredibly popular. These small but fashionable bags are perfect for carrying essentials like your phone, lip gloss, keys, and wallet. Despite their small size, they make a big fashion statement and are often designed with beautiful details like wooden handles, metal chains, or decorative buttons. On the other hand, large crochet tote bags are perfect for everyday use. These bags are spacious, practical, and incredibly stylish. Many designs include sturdy handles, reinforced bases, and strong yarn that allows the bag to carry heavier items. Whether you're going shopping, heading to the beach, or just running errands, crochet tote bags are both functional and fashionable. Another exciting crochet bag trend for 2026 is the use of mixed materials. Some crochet bags now combine yarn with leather straps, bamboo handles, metal chains, or wooden accessories. This combination of materials creates a modern and sophisticated look while still maintaining the handmade charm of crochet. Floral crochet designs are also making a strong comeback. Bags decorated with crochet flowers, petals, and nature-inspired patterns bring a soft, feminine, and artistic feel. These designs are perfect for people who love delicate details and romantic aesthetics. For those who prefer a more minimalist style, simple geometric crochet patterns are also trending. Clean shapes, neat stitches, and well-structured designs create bags that look modern, elegant, and easy to match with many outfits. One of the most beautiful things about crochet bags is that every design feels unique. Unlike mass-produced bags, handmade crochet bags often have small details that show the care and creativity of the person who made them. Each stitch adds character, making the bag feel special and one of a kind. Another reason crochet bags are gaining popularity is sustainability. Many people today are choosing handmade and eco-friendly fashion options. Crochet bags can be made using natural cotton yarn, recycled materials, or durable fibers that last for a long time. This makes them a great choice for people who want stylish fashion while also caring for the environment. In 2026, crochet bags are no longer just a craft project. They have become a true fashion trend that blends tradition with modern style. Whether it's a colorful boho bag, a chic mini purse, a floral statement piece, or a large everyday tote, crochet bags are proving that handmade fashion is here to stay. If you're looking for inspiration, these crochet bag designs show just how creative and stylish crochet can be. From simple patterns to detailed artistic designs, there is something beautiful for everyone. So if you love handmade fashion, creative designs, and unique accessories. Crochet bags are definitely a trend worth exploring this year. And who knows? The perfect crochet bag for your style might just be right here in these designs.